fine and safe at home. So today we are going to learn a very new topic and a very new basic thing, that is how we can scrap targets based email. So this is a very easy topic and it seems to be very difficult, but it is very easy. It's one of the topic from data entry, and we are going to collect 1000 emails, almost 1000 emails. And when a buyer says you to collect target based emails, it's actually almost 4000 emails that you have to collect, or almost 1000 emails you have to collect, and it gives you a topic. So the topic for today is, I'll tell you 1 second later. So first we will drag it a little here so we can increase this. So here we have, let's zoom out first. We'll write that buyer, what the buyer have told us. So right here I'm taking an example actually. So here the buyer tells us that you have to find emails of doctors of USA. That the doctors which belongs from USA, you have to find their emails. So here we have. So it says that you have to find emails of doctors of USA. The doctors that are from USA, you have to collect all the emails of the doctors, even they are from. You have to find them from Instagram, you have to find them from Facebook, you have to find them from LinkedIn. But in this video I have collected the emails from Facebook and Instagram only. But here I'll write that you have to collect from Instagram. So I'll tell you how you can find them from Instagram individually, and you can find them from Facebook individually too. So let's read out. The buyer have told us to find emails of doctors of USA and find them from Instagram, or you can find them from Facebook. So I have opened my Excel sheet and I am writing the title, which is Doctors USA, which are doctors from USA, doctors, USA. So when you're actually making a presentation or you're making an Excel sheet, you have to focus on the presentation most equally. So first I'll open up my Google, and here is what I have. So the first thing you have to learn, I've opened my notepad and tell you, the first thing you have to learn is this link, which I'll tell you right here. This is not a link actually, this is just a search. This is just a thing that you have to search on the browser when you're actually searching for the individual things. So here we have, which is site instagram.com doctors and USA. If you write USA, you would have very less results actually. So you can see over here you have only 1070 results right here. And if the buyer says that you have to find out the results almost 4000 emails. So how will you do that? You will do that is very simple. What you'll do is, you will search, instead of USA, you will search on another new tab. That first I'll erase this. So first what you'll do is, you will open up a new tab, you will click on Google, and then you'll write USA state's name, or USA state's name, or you can just write the cities of USA. Over here you can see it's California, Texas, Florida, and you can see all these states right here. So from now I'll erase the USA and I'll write California. Let's erase this and write it properly. It's California, and then I'll close this. So I'm not writing any domain yet. If the buyer says you that you have to find them from only at gmail.com, you will write at gmail.com from here. And in this video, in this thing, the buyer have told us that you have to find them from at gmail.com, and I am using it gives you almost the results of 8750, but has no Gmail. Let's go back, and I'm using my change tool, and it will help me to find all the emails right here. So this page only has this much emails. So look at this. So this is what chains tool is, and I'll make another video to show you how you can add them on your browser too. So this is how you can scrap your email, and I've done it twice, but it shows only one Gmail account right here. It also helps you to find out yahoo.com emails, or it also helps you to find out the other emails. So I'm writing at gmail.com, and here you can see you have almost 101 results, and here you can see you have almost 10 to 8 emails placed over here. So moving on, I'll move towards the next page, and here I have almost other results, and you can see it also have collected more email accounts or more emails of the doctors. So here you can see it's drherbcenter@gmail.com. I will do Control C, copy this. While you paste this, you have to make yourself clear that you have to erase the intelligence. You have to use the warp tool to make them adjust together like this. First thing you have to do, you have to remove the intelligence thing, and now I will write the other city, and now I will fast forward this and copy all of them, copy and scrap all of the emails, and I will write back after this. Okay guys, so with the help of these names, I have collected almost 1000 of them. Like, look at them, and I've made the presentation very nice too, and the font color is blue. So here you can see that I've collected all of them very nicely. So these are almost 1032 right here, and I just took help of them. Like, I just collected 1000 of them. You can also collect 4000, you can also collect 5000, you can collect as much as you like, but I just collected 1000 to show you guys how you can collect them. And with the help of just the chains tool, I've collected almost 1032 of them. So guys, and I've used this site, and I have also used, like, instead of Instagram, I wrote facebook.com, and I also searched them. Instagram, like, when I searched Instagram, there were not as much results than I searched on Facebook. So Facebook, when you write Facebook and you have to find out the emails, so you better search Facebook for them. And look at this, they have like a lot of emails on Facebook. So coming back to my Excel, here are the results, and I'm like, this was a tough work to do, but it was a very easy thing when I had chains tool. And I just copied, the thing I did was I just copied all of the USA states, and then one by one I copied them from Excel. Like, I copied one of them from Excel, and then I wrote back, and then I came back to my Chrome, and then I wrote down this, and then I got all the emails. So this is the easiest thing you can do. You have to just copy out the names and the things. So now I have almost 1023 of my emails, and so this was the video for today. If you guys really like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and do not forget to bell icon so that you could be updated for my new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.